Hey there, in this lesson, I'm going to walk you through how to set up and get your YouTube API key that you can use in order to connect to the YouTube API. Setup information here at developers.google.com/YouTube/v3/quickstart/JS for JavaScript. So what you do is you go over to the library panel. So if you do have a Google account, you can also access the developers.google. So make sure that you are signed in. And within here, you're going to see that you've got a bunch of options to get access to various APIs. So you've got your map API and so on. So Google API is just down here where you've got Google Data API v3, and that's the one that we're looking for as we're looking to make a search on the Google API. And there's more information about connecting to it and so on. So all of that information is available here. And then just simply click Enable. And what's going to happen is now it's going to walk you through, and you do need to add it into a project. So if you don't have a project already set up, then you can set that up. Otherwise, you can go over to Credentials, and under Credentials, it'll generate a key. So I already have one in here, but you can generate another one. So doing Create Credential. And this is going to add in another YouTube Data API v3. So the platform that we're calling it from, it's a web browser JavaScript, so make sure that you have that, as well as public data. So that gives us the ability to access the API, and that will allow us to make the request from the JavaScript in order to make the request for the API information. And then this is the key that you need. So that's it. So I know there was quite a few steps there. And do walk through that, and if you do get stuck, there's always more information available at the YouTube site. So the way that I usually do this is once I get the API, once it's been generated, I go back to my project and I go into the project, and then this is where I can set up a variable where you can call it API or API key, whatever you want to call it, and simply copy and paste it into your project, and you're going to be ready to start using it in order to make those requests. So that's it, and you're ready to move on to the next lesson where we can get down to work and start using some JavaScript to connect to the APIs. So that is all still yet to come.